I can't wait to see what you've done.
You can take off your blindfold now.
Oh, wow. How beautiful is that?
Welcome to the grand opening of our Artscapes garden.
Look how many people have come to check it out. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of paint and some tape.
Not too much longer now.
Can we take our blindfolds off now?
Not yet.
I'm so excited.
Same.
Me too. OK, stay there. Ready? Spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Go!
Oh, so many colours.
I love it.
Wait till I introduce you to the person who made it. Pia, Genevieve, this is Hugues.
Hello. Good morning.
Well, can you please tell us about this amazing creation?
My inspiration sources come from this shape of color, the very bright shape of color. And I decide on the top of this to sketch something very precisely and to describe what you can find in the garden.
That's so cool.
It's so clever because this is a beautiful community garden. We've got things like Vietnamese mint, broad beans, even some native warrigal greens. Community gardens like this are so important so people can come on down, get their hands dirty and their hearts happy. But I think we can bring in some different materials, some pots and maybe some plants to integrate the art into the garden and the garden into the art. Check us out. Pia, what kind of plants did you have in mind for this artscaping project?
Well, since the mural is full of primary colours like red, yellow and blue, I was thinking we could have the same coloured plants. So I have some pineapple sage, which is with its beautiful red flowers.
Oh, I love the pineapple sage.
Next, I have some desert flame.
Looks very fiery.
Yeah, it's a native chrysocephalum, which is also perennial.
I'm thinking that if we paint the pot, it'll look like the paint's spilling out.
Oh, it's like we're making the mural 3D.
Exactly.
It's clearly a place people love, and this is just going to make it even more special.
Yeah.
Oh, well, should we get started?
Yeah.
Let's get buzzy!
Buzzy? What does that mean?
Something to do with bees.
Okay, bees. Sure, let's go with that.
Painter's tape is a great tool for stenciling shapes like blocks or stripes onto surfaces. Lay the tape across the surface you're painting on in the shape and form you want. Then paint all over it. When you remove the tape, you'll be left with an outline.
That looks so good.
Yes, I love that.
Make sure when you're choosing plants for your garden, they're plants that will survive and thrive in that space, and that you're positioning them in places where they'll have their best chance of survival. When the garden is your canvas, plants can be like your paintbrush.
And a bit of signage goes a long way.